If you ever find yourself stuck in full screen mode in Google Chrome and want to get out of it fast, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to exit full screen in Chrome, and the best part is, it only takes one keyboard shortcut. This is super useful whether you're watching a video, working on a website, or just want your tabs and menu bar back without clicking around. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure Google Chrome is open in full screen mode. You'll know it's full screen when the browser takes over the entire display and the top bar disappears. Now here's the fastest part. Simply press the F11 key on your keyboard. On most Windows computers, this instantly exits full screen mode in Chrome. The browser will snap back to its normal window view and you'll see your tabs, address bar, and the rest of your desktop again. If you want to go back into full screen later, just press F11 again. That same key works as a toggle, so it turns full screen on and off with a single press. So the shortcut is really simple. Full screen on, F11, full screen off, F11. That's it. No menus, no mouse clicks, no digging through settings, just one key and you're done. This is one of those small Chrome shortcuts that can save you time every day, especially if you frequently switch between browsing, presenting, or working on a large screen. If this tip helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fast tutorials, easy fixes, and helpful browser shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.